Hey guys, so I just put together this new shower chair yesterday and I'm going to show you what it's like. It's a heavy duty plastic. This should hold up pretty good, be pretty sturdy, and it's on a metal frame there. And that looks sturdy, well and sturdy too. On this side it has a couple suction feet, so that should help keep things in place once it's suctioned down like that. And on the other side there's just some plastic feet, but they're grippy, slightly grippy in terms of rubberness, so they stay in place pretty well too. Good size chair there, so plenty of room to sit on. Has a handle on this side. This is a soft handle, and a back there, real soft there as well. Here on this side it has a spot for shower nozzle, so you can very easily put that there. That way you have easy access to it. So that's nice. It's a good size chair, quite large. So I'm going to show you the dimensions here. The seat measures at almost 26.5 inches wide and about 15 inches depth. As far as how much space you need in a shower, you need about 3 feet in order to accommodate how wide the feet are. And it also needs to be about 19 inches deep as well. So that's how much space you need even in your shower or tub in order to accommodate this. But yeah, seems like it's put together really well, nice and sturdy, should support a lot of weight, and it's got those holes there to help with water, dispersing through as well. So seems like a good chair. I like it.